Welcome to day 2 of looking for bugs. If you haven't watched the day 1 video yet, stop and do that now. We're going to begin by reviewing sight words that we learned in the first video. We're going to play Beat the Teacher. So get ready, say the word, and see if you say it correctly before me. Ready? Say the word. The. Say the word. To. Say the word. And. Say the word. Look. Say the word. For. Say the word. We. Say the word. Have. Say the word. See. How'd you do at your sight words? Now let's take a look at our CVC decodable words. Remember, with CVC decodable words, we can sound the words out. We're going to work on our fluency. So we'll sound out quickly, and then we'll blend the word together. Ready? Begin. P, at, pat, j, et, jet, z, ip, zip, l, ed, lead, b, ug, bug. How'd you with your B's and D's? Remember to look at which part comes first. D has a circle first, and B has a line first. All right, let's sound out and blend some more words. Y, ack, yak, b, at, bet, f, at, fat, h, n, hen, r, rub. Great work. Keep saying the words out loud with me. Sip, sip, rut, f, og, fog, egg, sag, it, sit. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to go ahead and read our story. Let's read it out loud together. Ready? Say the words with me. Looking for bugs. Keep reading out loud with me. Here we go. I like to run in the sun. I like to run and look for bugs. I dug and dug. I will look for a bug. I have a cup for the bug. Will I see a bug in the sun? I see a bug. The bug is in the sun. Will the bug go in my cup? The bug is in my cup. I will run with the bug. Last page, finish off strong. I will run with the bug and the cup. We will have fun in the sun. Wow, way to read with me. Now your turn is going to be, now we're going to do duet reading. I'll read the words in white, you'll read the words in yellow. So on this page, I would say looking, you would say for, and I would say bugs. Let's try it. Looking, bugs. Great work. Now you're going to read out all the yellow words on this page as well. I'll read all the white. Let's try it. I, to, in, sun. Like, run, look, bugs. Great job reading. Keep reading all the yellow words. I look a for bug. In sun. The is the will bug in cup. The is my I run. All right, last page. Great work. I run. The and cup will fun. The All right, friends, now that we've read the story a couple of times, we are going to answer some questions about the story. These are comprehension questions. Comprehension means I understand what I read. Let's read the first question out loud together. What do I like to do? Say your answer out loud. All right. In the story on page 1, it tells what I like to do. Let's read it together. I like to run in the sun. I like to run and look for bugs. So you could have said I like to run or look for bugs. All right, let's look at the second one. Read out loud with me. What did I see in the sun? Say your answer out loud. All right. On page 4, it says, I see a bug. The bug is in the sun. Did you get that one correct? All right. Our last comprehension question says, read it with me. What do I have for the bug? All right, say your answer out loud. All right, on page 5, it shows what I have for the bug. The bug is in my cup. He has a cup for the bug. All right. Really nice job with those comprehension questions. It's time now to do some writing. Get your paper out that looks like this. And we're going to start with the CVC part. Okay, so we're just going to get that out and get your pencil out as well. All right. On the first line, you're going to write the CVC word Doug. Write the word Doug. 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 All right. Let's take a look at how you did. You can say the sounds for Doug. You can look at the letters for each sound. D, G. D for D, U for and G for G. Check that your D has the circle going first. Check that you have this one all correct. All right, let's go to the second line on our sheet. Right here, you're going to write the word cup. Cup. I drank from the cup. Cup. All right, let's take a look at what the word cup looks like. This is the word cup. Say the sounds. K, p. C for k, U for and P for p. All right, our very last word is the word bug. Write the word bug on your third line. I saw a bug outside on the ground. Bug. Bug. Let's check out how you did. This is the word bug. B-U-G. Check that your B has a line first and then a circle. Bug. If you need to stop the video to check your work, stop it now. Otherwise, we're going to move on to a sentence. So down on your page, you'll see this part. This is where we're going to write our sentence, right next to the star. Our sentence has 1, 2, 3, 4 words. Get your pencil ready for the first word. Our sentence is, we look for bugs. Say it with me. We look for bugs. Our first words are we look. Write the word we on the first line. Make sure to do a capital letter. Leave a space and write the word look on the next line. We look. We on the first line. Look on the second line. We look. We look. Once you've written we look, pause the video if you need more time, then you're going to write the next two words. For bugs. For is on this line. Bugs is on the last line. For bugs. For bugs. When you're done, you can put a period at the end. And your whole sentence should read, we look for bugs. If you don't have that written, pause the video now and write, we look for bugs. We're going to go ahead and check out each word in our sentence. All right. So our first word is the word we. Okay, I hear two sounds in the word we. W is our W and E is the letter E. If you got it, put a check mark in your circle above. And if you didn't get it, go ahead and fix it now. We. Our next word is the word look. Remember, you don't need to write the heart words or anything in red. We have look, which has an L, two O's make the sound, and a K. If you wrote it correctly, put a check mark at the top. If not, fix it now. Look. Look. Notice I have spaces between my words. We look for. The word for is a heart word because the OR says or. Or. Notice that if we cover up the F, we have the word or. For. If you wrote it correctly, give a check mark at the top. If not, fix it now. We look for. And our last word is the word bugs. Bugs is a CVC word that has an S at the end and is plural. B-U-G, and then we add our S. Bugs. Give a check mark if you got it correct. If not, go ahead and fix it now. Let's read our sentence one more time together. We look for bugs. Awesome work at reading our story, practicing CVC words, practicing sight words, writing CVC words, and writing a sentence. You did a lot of hard work today, friends. Way to go. If you need to look at this sentence more to fix it and on your sheet or get it on your sheet, go ahead and do that now. Make sure you've checked for capital letter and period. And once you're done with that, you can stop the video. All right, if you need more time, pause it. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Great work.